Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. Well, we're here at the Filter Queen office today, and I got a very nice phone call this morning from Janet from Oklahoma. Now Janet's having a problem with her Filter Queen. She needs a new power cord. We do have most of the parts here in stock, so we got that out in the mail to her today. But what I wanted to show you is this is the 23-foot power cord. It's factory. It comes all protected. We mail it out the same day you call in. This is a universal cord. So the end has two of the F1 connectors. One is larger than the other. That means they will press on to the circuit board. Now, when you take the top of the vacuum apart, make sure you watch how you took it apart because it only goes back together one way. Those three screws in the top have to line up perfectly. The same way you take it out, it's the same way you have to put it back together. So this is the cord for the newer machines. We also send it if you have an older machine that requires wire nuts. Now what you do if you have wire nuts, you have to cut the insulation back a little bit. This is for your do-it-yourselfers. And then you cut the tips off and skin the wires. The white wire should go where the white wire came off of. Now in my other video, I also showed you when you take it apart, cut the power cord off at the side of the upper housing. So you don't want to undo the wire nuts until you're ready to do it, and only do them one at a time so you don't get the wires all mixed up. Okay, so this is the universal. You cut these off if you need to put it on wire nuts, or they just press on, unplug and press on the other ones. It also comes with a strain relief. I'll do a video on that about how to do this. You have to pop it through and lock it in the upper housing. It's very important that you do this. It'll make the cord last a long, long time if you do it right. If you have any questions, give me a comment or call us here at the 800 number. We're here 8 to 5, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Ask for me or any of the young ladies here can help you, okay? The other thing I wanted to tell you, if you do get stuck, if you took it apart, call us anyway. I have the wiring diagrams from the factory. I can email those to you or send a text message with this attached. If you want me to mail it to you, I have to charge you a couple bucks for the mailing, okay? So we can get it to you if you need it. The other thing we usually include with all orders is a hand-drawn, handwritten instructions on how to take care of the Filter Queen, how to change the filters, which way the filter should go in, and it's a very helpful little pony that we attach with all the orders. So if you need anything, give us a call. There's the 800 number, and we're here 8 to 5, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. Give us a call here at Filter Queen. Bye now.